Let's talk about how to make more money per 1,000 views on your YouTube channel. And some of you might be thinking, Kayla, how would that even be possible? Within the YouTube world, a YouTube channel is getting paid a certain amount of money per 1,000 views. Now, this is going to be the RPM of the channel. And an average YouTube channel is going to be making around $1 to $30 per 1,000 views. So if you had the choice of making $1 per 1,000 views or $30 per 1,000 views, you're probably going to definitely pick $30 per 1,000 views, right? And this is something that I learned from my brother Matt, and he has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt where he talks about how to make money online and with YouTube. But he runs over a dozen successful YouTube channels, while a lot of them are being faceless YouTube channels. And he's been making content since he was in high school. So with all of that being said, he has given some of this knowledge to me, so now I can share it with you all. With a lot of people, their goal with starting a YouTube channel is going to be to grow this YouTube channel and to make money with this YouTube channel. Now, a lot of the time it can start out as a side hustle. However, some people will scale their YouTube channel to something larger and maybe even let it replace their full-time job, which is exactly what my brother did, and YouTube is how he started his journey with making money online, and it's how he's able to be making over $1 million in just 1 year. So how can we exactly be making more money per 1,000 views on YouTube? And the answer to that question is simple. It is simply just going to be the niche of your channel. And then later on in the video, I'm even going to let you in on a little secret on how you can scale your YouTube channel to be making around $100 to even $200 per 1,000 views. So if you're interested in making money online and just how to grow your YouTube channel, you might want to stick around. So first I want to start out by explaining how somebody makes money with a YouTube channel. So before you are able to start reeling in those paychecks from YouTube, you need to be eligible for their YouTube Partner Program. So you need to be besties with YouTube here. And in order to be besties with YouTube, you are going to need over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Some of you might already be at that goal if you have a YouTube channel. However, if you haven't started a YouTube channel yet, you're gonna wanna make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video because I have a super helpful video for all of you beginners out there. Or even if you're not a beginner, you could still get a ton of value from this video I'm gonna show you at the end. But in order to start getting these paychecks from YouTube, your channel needs to be popping off a little bit. But it is also something that you can potentially achieve if you just follow the correct steps in growing your channel. And one of those steps is going to be picking that niche. And I know my brother even has a video on how to get monetized in just 27 days that he has put on his channel with some strategies that he has used to grow his personal YouTube channels. I'll make sure to link that in the description of this video so you can check it out. Now, when I was learning about RPMs and making how much money per 1,000 views on a YouTube channel, I was like, this doesn't make sense. Because why would some topics be making more than other topics on YouTube when everybody's just making content overall? Like, how does that even work? When you have a YouTube video that is put out into the world, it is for everybody to see. And when these videos have advertisements on them, they go through this certain process. And there are so many advertisers and companies out there that want to put their ads on specific content and videos. So if we can kind of put the puzzle pieces together, we have an advertiser, let's just say randomly, this advertiser is promoting something to do with skincare and beauty. Now, it wouldn't make sense if this advertiser was putting these ads on videos to do with cars, because that's not the target audience. There's not an overlap here in interest. Of course, somebody could be interested in beauty and also be interested in cars, but we don't know that for sure when we're posting content to a specific audience. And I hope what I just said makes a little bit of sense, but advertisers aren't going to want to spend a bunch of money to put advertisements on videos that aren't reaching their target audience, because they want their ads to reach an audience that is actually going to buy and purchase their products. Another example would be, we have a YouTube channel 1 over here. And YouTube channel number 1 is going to be about theme parks and water slides. Sure. And we have a second channel over here, and the second channel is going to have to do with technology and gadgets. Now, let's say a company like Apple wants to put an advertisement on a YouTube channel, and they want to advertise their new Apple Vision Pro, whatever that is, the thingy that you put on your face. this company would obviously want to be putting their advertisements on the channel that has to do with technology and gadgets because of the specific niche. So with all of this being said, let's reveal the 5 most profitable niches that we can find within the YouTube world. The first niche is going to be technology, since that's an example that I just gave and why an advertiser would want to put their ads within a technology channel. And the second most profitable niche is going to be a making money online YouTube channel, which hence why I have this YouTube channel. Well, of course, wanting to help people grow a successful business online as well. So this profitable niche lined up with my interests, which is why I picked it. And also I have my brother to guide me in this area, so I found that very helpful throughout this YouTube journey. The next niche is going to be traveling. Whoop whoop, traveling to Disney World. Maybe, I don't know. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you travel? Comment it down below. I want to hear. I think for me, it would be Ireland. I really want to go to Ireland, and if I go to Ireland, I'll vlog it and post it on my personal channel, which is Kayla K. The next niche is going to be a health niche, and then finally we have a personal finance niche. So these are going to be your top 5 most profitable niches on YouTube. So if you have any interests that line up with any of these niches, I would highly encourage you to pick one of these, as these are the niches that are going to have more advertisers coming at them and wanting to put their ads on your videos. Now, I did say earlier in this video that I would teach you how to even bump up that revenue even more and make even $100 per 1,000 views. And this is actually something that I've learned from my brother Matt. And he taught me how to do this because way back when, in the Stone Age, I asked him, I was like, Matt, how do you make so much money with a YouTube channel? Like, YouTube pays you that much money to live the lifestyle that you're living? And he told me that you can get monetized other ways with YouTube rather than just the paychecks that YouTube is giving him. And he does this by selling an online course. And this online course would be considered a digital product, which is called Tube Mastery and Monetization. And on Tube Mastery and Monetization, he teaches people like you guys that might be interested in making money online how to grow your YouTube channel and how to make even a doctor's salary while just working online. And I know this course that he's put out into the world has literally taken him decades to accumulate all of this knowledge from personal experience and from testing out different methods to find him what makes the most money online and with a YouTube channel. So with me saying all that, you might be wondering how you could start your own digital course. Now, you could be teaching a course that has to do with something else. However, if you're not even up for making a course and you don't really feel like it, then you could promote other people's courses and be making a profit that way, which is smart, especially if you don't want to jump into a course yet and you just want to focus on your own YouTube channel and your own YouTube journey, but you also want to be making more money, because who doesn't? And we can do exactly this by joining affiliate marketing. And I especially mentioned my brother's course because he does have an affiliate program. And within his affiliate program, he has paid out over $600,000 to different affiliates around the world. I will make sure to link Tube Mastery in the description of this video so you guys can get that affiliate link, and you can even start earning money on YouTube before you get actually monetized on YouTube with this affiliate marketing. And then, like I promised, I have a super helpful video right here, which is also going to be one of my brother's videos where he just goes more in depth on how to really start this YouTube channel and grow it to make as much money as potentially possible. So you won't want to miss it, guys. Trust me. And I promote his content so much, not because I'm biased or anything, I am his sister, but he has proven all of these methods that he gives out to work, and they are possible. So make sure to click on it right here, and thank you for watching.